You want to build a profitable content business without constantly being online, filming yourself, or managing DMs all day. The solution is automation. With the right tools and workflow, you can create high-converting, viral, faceless content on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok without ever showing up on camera. Today, I am giving you a step-by-step automation system that handles content creation, posting, engagement, repurposing, and monetization so you can focus on scaling, not scrambling. Let's get into it. Step 1. Automate your faceless video creation. Since you are not on camera, you need to focus on visually engaging, AI-powered content that keeps people watching. Here is how to automate your faceless video creation. ChatGPT generates faceless video scripts in seconds. Pictory AI converts blog posts or text into auto-generated videos. InVideo AI-powered faceless video generator. Canva plus Runway Mel creates animated text-based reels and shorts. Synthesia AI avatars that generate professional voiceovers. 11 Labs produces AI-generated human-like voiceovers. How this works. AI writes a short script. AI creates visuals and voiceover automatically. Upload to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok without filming yourself. This is the exact system used by successful faceless creators to produce daily viral content with minimal effort. Step 2. Automate YouTube posting, the faceless strategy. The key to growing on YouTube without burnout is batch creation and automation. Automate your uploads and SEO optimization with these tools. YouTube Studio. Schedule videos in advance. TubeBuddy automates SEO, tags, and descriptions. Descript auto edits videos and adds captions. Rev.com generates captions for faceless videos. Workflow. Batch create 4 to 6 faceless videos in one session. Upload and schedule weeks in advance using YouTube Studio. Use TubeBuddy to auto-optimize SEO and thumbnails. Post and let YouTube's algorithm do the rest. When your videos are consistent, optimized, and automated, YouTube keeps pushing your content to new audiences even while you sleep. Step 3. Automate Instagram Reels and posts using a faceless strategy. Faceless Instagram content is easy to scale with stock footage, text-based videos, and automation. Best faceless Instagram content creation tools include CapCut or Canva, which create text-based reels with trending sounds. Then there's Pexels and Pixabay for free stock videos to use as background clips. For quick editing and auto-captioning, InShot is a great choice. Opus Clip uses AI to cut YouTube videos into viral Instagram reels. And Temply offers ready-made text animation templates. Here's a workflow for you. Plan your Instagram content in Google Sheets, Trello, or Notion. Create 10 to 15 reels using stock footage and text animations. Schedule everything in Meta Business Suite, Later, or Planoly, and auto-post at peak engagement times. With this system, you can grow a faceless Instagram brand without constantly creating new content. Step 4 is to automate engagement and DMs. Faceless content does not mean zero engagement. You can automate conversations to grow your audience and list. Tools to auto-reply and engage ManyChat, auto-reply to Instagram DMs. Instagram auto-comments, auto-respond to comments with CTAs. Zapier plus Instagram auto-DM freebie links when someone comments a keyword. Social Pilot, auto-like, comment, and schedule posts. Example. Comment guide below for a free content planner. ManyChat auto-sends a DM with the freebie link. Zapier adds them to your email funnel. Email automation turns them into buyers. This is how top faceless creators turn followers into customers automatically. Step 5. Automate repurposing. Stop creating new content every day. Instead, repurpose everything automatically. Best repurposing tools. Opus Clip cuts long YouTube videos into shorts and reels. CapCut converts YouTube videos into TikToks and Instagram Reels. Descript auto-generates text-based carousels from videos. Repurpose.io auto-sends YouTube videos to Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Repurposing workflow, 1 video equals 10 or more posts. 1 YouTube video, 3 shorts. Opus clip auto-generates, upload to Instagram and TikTok. 1 Instagram carousel, repurpose.io auto-creates text slides. 1 LinkedIn post, copy-paste key takeaways. 1 email newsletter, Descript, extracts text-based insights. This system maximizes content reach without extra work. Step 6. Automate monetization and passive income. Faceless content is perfect for selling digital products. The key is automating the sales process. Set up passive income with Stan or Gumroad to sell digital downloads and templates without being live. ConvertKit or Flowdesk can automate email funnels that convert followers into customers. And Zapier can auto-connect Instagram DMs to your email funnel. Example: want my content planner? Grab it in my bio. Stan handles the sale. ConvertKit auto-sends the digital product, and the email funnel nurtures them into buying more. This system turns views into buyers automatically. Step 7. Automate analytics and optimization. Track what works and improve without manual effort. Best tracking and optimization tools. Instagram Insights auto-analyzes best-performing posts. YouTube Analytics tracks video, watch time, and retention. Metricool combines YouTube and Instagram data in one dashboard. Flicktech AI finds best Instagram hashtags and post times. How to automate improvements. Check analytics weekly, but let AI track data for you. Double down on high-performing content. Auto-schedule new content based on trends. When you let data guide your strategy, you scale faster without the guesswork. Your fully automated faceless content workflow. Step 1. Plan and script content in ChatGPT and Google Sheets. Step 2. Create videos using Pictory AI, Canva, and Opus Clip. Step 3. Schedule Instagram Reels in Later, Planoly, or Meta Suite. Step 4. Auto-repurpose content for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Step 5. Set up ManyChat and auto DMs to grow your list. Step 6. Sell digital products via Stan Store or Gumroad. Step 7. Optimize and scale using Metricool and Instagram Insights. This fully automated system allows you to grow a faceless brand 24/7 without being online constantly. If you want a step-by-step system to automate your content strategy, grab Instagram Marketing Unlocked in the description. The people scaling faceless brands are not working harder, they are automating smarter. Start today.